Hello guys, and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day. I am back with some amazing content for you, and today we're going to talk about XRP price predictions and some bullish news on Wall Street's interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And finally, we're going to talk about Ripple's latest pattern that they obtained to create mass adoption of XRP. That's amazing, guys. So before we dive into this amazing content, I want to kindly remind you to subscribe, like, and comment if you have questions down below. And let's dive into the juicy and bullish content I have for you today. So first, this is on xrpchat.com. I was just scrolling down this website and I saw this post: XRP price predictions 2019. Can XRP reach around $10 by the end of the year? So I was scrolling. Some people say my technical analysis show over $10. Others say no, of course not. It's impossible, guys. Let's be realistic. He will be very sad if XRP moves, I can tell you this. But let's read further, because XRPzilla posted something very interesting February 27, 2019, and I want to share this with you. It's very important to understand the concept below. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to read and comprehend, and it will have an indelible impact on your perspective. Here we go. Most coins are locked up. I'd go so far as to say 95% of XRP are out of the market's reach, and therefore don't contribute to the supply in the context of determining value. That leaves 5%, which is less than 5 billion XRP. And it's only this small pile of coins that everyone needing to procure XRP will be fighting over. So guys, let's stop right here. What I read is mind-booming, guys. We say XRP has a big supply and it's never gonna reach any big price target. But guys, lots of the coins are locked up in escrow, and lots of the XRP are being held by whales that will not sell, or that are just locked up in cold storage. For example, the XRP of Chris Larsen, he knows that he cannot sell all of it. He will not sell all of it. He has enough money. He will just save it. He will hold for long-term purposes. And if you look at what's really being traded and what we can trade and speculate on, I think it's really 5 billion XRP. That's a very interesting way to look at it. We read further. The demand part of the supply and demand is an aggregate of many forces. Those forces all sum together on the point of purchase on an exchange. When demand is greater than supply, the price goes up, and vice versa. Demand for XRP will come from one thing: increasing usage. If I want to send my mother $150,000 worth of XRP, I create demand. The more people buying their mother's shoe shop, the more demand gets created. You might say, well, as soon as mom sells the XRP I sent her, we have a net zero situation and the price wouldn't change. Yes, you are correct. But if during my purchase, transmission, and mom's sale, someone else needs to buy liquid XRP, there'd be less supply of them available and the price will be higher. Extend this scenario where hundreds of thousands of transactions are happening per hour, and you should see that a lot of liquid XRP has been converted to in-flight XRP, drying up the supply and rapidly driving up the price because of scarcity. In other words, the volume of XRP utilization trades where XRP leaves one exchange for another for the purpose of value transfer, not speculative trading, will be what determines the basis for real demand. And it won't pay any attention whatsoever to set market cap. Demand is demand, and it will satisfy at any cost. Higher volume, higher demand, higher price. And guys, actually, when you realize this is really true. I want to give you an example. What's happening currently? For example, when coronavirus hit, the prices of the masks and hand sanitizers went through the roof. Were there not enough? Of course there were enough. But the people needed it at that moment. They needed it at that moment. So actually, one mask that would cost normally 50 cents, it costed $20, $30. Some people really paid $20-30 for one mask, guys. Why? Because they needed it on that moment. They wanted to buy at that moment. So compared to XRP, real demand will drive up the price of XRP. Okay? Scarcity will drive up the price of XRP. People will want to buy XRP now. They will not say, okay, let's wait. There will come another time where we can buy more because there's enough. No, they will want to buy now. If there's not enough demand now, they are willing to pay more for XRP, and then even more and more and more, and the price will skyrocket, guys. I want you to realize this very important aspect, guys. Okay, let's read another article. We will go fast through this. This is from the Daily Hodl, and the article states, report details unprecedented levels of Wall Street interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Okay, institutional investors are increasingly basing their trades on the long-term outlook of Bitcoin and are no longer easy put off by price volatility, according to crypto derivatives exchange Xumm. In a new report titled Institutional Investors Turn Hodlers on Bitcoin Future Markets, Xumm analyzes regulated exchanges like the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and the BECT and compared their investment behaviors during the bull and bear markets. Xumm says that institutional traders on regulated platforms are looking to hold Bitcoin based on its long-term outlook, noting that there has been more open interest compared to volumes. The writings might not be on the wall yet for full-scale institutional interest, but there is a clear long-term interest in the cryptocurrency on regulated exchanges that has not been seen before. Xumm believes that long-term interest in Bitcoin on regulated exchanges can further increase as more institutional investors enter the market. What is clear is that regulated exchanges have attracted a different caliber of traders to the market, potentially shifting the future dynamic of the cryptocurrency into what believers have wanted all along: displace gold. Okay, what we read here is that there is unprecedented levels of interest of highly educated investors in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and they're investing in long term. So how dare you think even of selling? How dare you being scared of this market right now when it dips 5%, 10% in the red? How dare you guys? We survived the bear market for 3 years and now you're scared? You're scared now? Of course not. All the smart people enter now and they're holding. Why wouldn't you? Why are you selling your cryptocurrencies to them? Don't. Hold. Hold and wait, guys. You will be rewarded for this. We came so far. Let's not leave empty-handedly. Guys, we'll be rich. Just so you realize, guys, we will be rich. So this is all signs of mass adoption, guys. It will go slow and steady and then it will explode, guys, okay? There's a very famous saying, there are years where nothing happens and weeks where years happen, okay? Guys, I want to congratulate you all. You can be proud. You are proud members of the XRP army, guys. We are proud members. And we will hold on strong and will be very, very well rewarded. And I want to thank you all, guys, for watching. If you like the content providing, like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions. We will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.